Na Bema, once again, good morning. Boko. Ache. Na. Say you've been busy at Tasawase.
Yes, Iguswa say the Juma Jawa and as well.
Yes.
And Mrs.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Okay. You are always at the office.
Wow. Since I bought with this, I'm going to MC Asokore Mampoa, make Saturday office a Juma in November. 15th October 2021. ABC. There has never been a day I'm missing Juma. So what I'm near Juma, I'm near Juma one thing. They said they say, me kwabonting.
Okay.
Me kwa yade abu for you know kwakushia.
Wow.
Yeah, engage you more about the fee fixing, about the budget that you are doing, and other things. I hear abu and near was some market.
Hey.
And you abu China, you call as a Mampo area. Any zona councils on there together with the assembly in a for you.
Interesting.
So my new officer, maybe I'm a municipal anymore. Yes, I will be a number 2 coin. I control the Mekobi and Cran. I said the Mekobi.
Okay.
Yeah, but say my sorry, Anopa. Metafie Benko Juma, I said Mekoya Madia, deputy. So May Madia Saturday and Sunday. You may say, your project, Cranam is Simedaya. I do it on Saturday and Sunday. Project that I want to be there.
Wow.
Saturday and Sunday. So those are the things that. But I'm far by Juma, I'm far by time in Yibia.
You are always working.
And that is what I have been asked to do. And I'm one of the first people who call Juma, and I'm always the last person to leave the place. I'm always the last person to leave the place.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'm always the last person, and everybody can attest to it. So a radio, so make us. You can go and call assembly people and ask them. Hey, me train. I'm a security bans and I'm a security in my home. Yeah, that is how it is.
Wow.
Yeah.
So a Juma
but
why are your people entangling you?
Who?
Uncle for party
people, some people.
Okay, some of them, yeah.
Some of them, and they all can. And they
some of them, because
so that is politics for you. In politics, you can't get everybody to like you. Oh, yeah, we are beginning. We a big mistake. And look about me, I'm a psychological effect.
Yeah,
politics, no, it's made up of shades of opinions. Obia one agent, Obia one interest, Obia one be your person, or the Abia anti, and you be a support so said Abia or person. If you walk around Papa Cran,
sure.
Some people don't want to see you progressing. Some people want to see your downfall. They want to see your back. And sometimes, you know, so all your politician now a very astute politician like that. And that is where you should know that is in politics. That sometimes when we are on my camera who come with your man and say it's called the challenges. Some of these are some of the challenges. And the media and issue be a mamisa. I can't satisfy all human beings. Yeah. Satisfy and I'm executive to me can't satisfy. And I mean, it was when you become a leader of a area now, people expect more from you. And you all know the financial issues that the country is engulfing. And the Ghana budget, we need to support you with something. And the percent can be a pay one young man. One mention it broke Banawa and Yakura Casache and Crana was for Tumkaze. Sometimes people ask us, he also be about he expecting you to do something. And
is that how it is was once?
No, the whole Ghana.
Yeah.
We leader. Yeah. We leader will be adding the problem but
yes.
Or person was a woman leader. No woman needs a leader, no so no.
Wow, so challenges.
Limited budget.
Okay.
And you need any problem the man says solve. Obiti me solve. So limited budget. You use your discretions to make sure that no be what bit in the among other things, you manage. That is why you say you're going to manage the place. I said, "Wouldn't you work it to your son? If you work it to your demand, no matter how he's
no.
But you manage it, and then the economics for the be a friend of scale of preference. You do the scale of preference and see what is good. Now, if you are managing you don't collapse a system that you are leading. As if you create what's the and you be about pebia now to me,
yeah.
But if you know maybe adjusting and kakra now I satisfy some of them and I say for not am abefio until any point what you there, those are the things, you know. And I was a Ghana house so I think that what politics is being done is I said you quite say you're a politician, I say you don't call you MP, you don't call MC, you don't call you minister there. I did nothing now also MC I own niska. And me chero. And denti na o ye MP a o si uniska. And denti na o minister uniska.
Professor Sebradade say, yeah, the road contract, yeah, ma, 1 million up front. That is the road ministry. In the assembly, so possibly you have your own ways.
Ne pronouncement, no, men taking wholesomely back because men person me can some crap because how much grand are involved in some of the contracts.
Okay.
Oba me bass of road contract be no be do even 1 million Ghana cedis.
Okay.
As I'm going to say, I manage a budget in a sort of what their babros who crown in 300,000, 400,000.
Oh, of
course, so about roads for budget.
Municipal.
Urban rules budgets.
Okay.
I bas of Coromampo. I cost so 500,000.
I see.
Now, say, you manage, you did budget 500,000.
No, that's what you 1 million.
No, what you 1 million.
No, but that is the
statement is subjective.
Okay.
And as all cast over can. Nagas also road contractor. Road contractor, no, you should explain it. What I say, Ebia World Bank road contract.
Okay.
Ebia highway road contract. Ebia urban road contract. I was like, you should tell us. I was the time I said, no. So I a very subjective. You can do it. I didn't make just me. I control a budget at a Socorro. But urban roads for budget only free and kind. The Bremo. I'm pros 500,000.
Is it difficult?
You contract next year, man. 1 million cedis and Sanama Yamojuma.